How to remove tar from carpet. Upon discovering the tar stain, determine whether it is soft or still hard. If it is soft, use a bag of ice or compressed air to stiffen the spot. If hard, scrape the tar with a dull edge to remove any tar residue. Vacuum the tar stain to get rid of any remaining particles. To create a cleaning solution, mix 1 cup warm water and 1 teaspoon of liquid dish soap. Apply the cleaning solution directly to the tar stain, slowly working from the outside of the tar stain to the center, moving slowly inward so you don't spread the stain further onto the carpet. Rinse the tar stain with cold water and continue applying the soap solution until the stain disappears. Blot dry the area with paper towels or a shop vac. Another method is to moisten the affected area of the carpet with 3% hydrogen peroxide or rubbing alcohol. Let the tar stain sit for 1 minute. Blot with a paper towel to absorb any remaining stain. Apply a few paper towels directly onto the area with a weight and let it sit overnight. For more spot cleaning solutions, visit spotremoval.coit.com.